Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program. The Indian Air Force has made a compelling case to the Ministry of Defense to fully fund and prioritize a Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program, that is CCA program, drawing inspiration from a recent HAL initiative. The HAL program, which emphasizes the integration of autonomous drones with manned fighters to enhance combat effectiveness, has prompted the IAF to advocate for a similar strategy to modernize its fleet and address operational gaps. With the IAF's squadron strength at a concerning 31 against a sanctioned 42, and the looming retirement of aging aircraft like the MiG-21s, the push for CCAs could redefine India's air warfare capabilities, aligning with the Make in India initiative while tackling regional security challenges. Next, HAL seeking CCS approval for IMRH program. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is gearing up to secure approval from the Cabinet Committee on Security later this year for its ambitious 13-ton Indian multi-role helicopter program. The state-owned aerospace giant is seeking funding to develop this medium-role helicopter designed to replace the aging Mi-17 fleet across the Indian Armed Forces starting in 2032. With the Army and Air Force poised to place significant orders and the Navy set to receive a tailored maritime variant powered by an enhanced Safran HAL engine, the IMRH promises to bolster India's rotary wing capabilities and self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Next, exploring stratospheric airship. The Indian Air Force, in collaboration with the DRDO, is venturing into futuristic territory with brainstorming sessions focused on developing a stratospheric airship equipped with advanced infrared detection systems. This ambitious concept aims to detect stealth aircraft from thousands of kilometers away, marking a significant leap in India's aerial surveillance and defense capabilities. The initiative aligns with the IAF's broader vision to transition into a space force, a goal underscored by its pursuit of dedicated satellites, high-altitude pseudo-satellites, and even India's reusable launch vehicle, that is RLV, often dubbed the country's own space shuttle, currently under development by the Indian Space Research Organization. Next, India's cost-effective artillery ammunition. India is rapidly emerging as a competitive player in the global defense manufacturing sector, offering high-quality artillery ammunition and weaponry at a fraction of the cost of Western alternatives. According to two Indian sources, India can produce 155 mm artillery shells for approximately $300 to $400 per unit, a stark contrast to European equivalents, which often retail upwards of $3,000. This significant price differential underscores India's growing capabilities to deliver cost-effective solutions without compromising quality. In addition to ammunition, Indian firms are making strides in the production of howitzer. One source revealed that Indian-made howitzers are priced at around $3 million each, roughly half the cost of comparable European models. This affordability is attracting attention from nations seeking to bolster their defense capabilities while managing constrained budgets. Next, how could procurement of more Rafale jets strain the Indian Air Force's budget. The Indian Air Force has been actively pursuing the acquisition of 114 multi-role fighter aircraft (MRFA) under a tender to bolster its dwindling squadron strength, currently at 31 against a sanctioned 42. The Dassault Rafale, a 4.5 generation fighter already in service with the IAF, is a leading contender for this contract. However, the financial implications of purchasing 110 additional Rafale F-4 jets could significantly strain the IAF's budget, potentially consuming its capital allocation for years. If we compare it to the IAF's yearly budget of last year, and calculates how long the capital budget might be tied up, drawing on available data and historical spending patterns. Next, the biggest Rafale Marine fighter jet deal on April 28th. India and France are expected to sign their largest ever defense deal for the sale of 26 Rafale Marine aircraft for the Indian Navy on April 28th in the presence of French Defense Minister Sébastien Lecornu. Defense sources told ANI that senior officials will represent the two sides at the signing of the over rupees 63,000 crore contract. The sources said that the event is also planned to be held outside the Defense Ministry headquarters in South Block. Thank you.